Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for so long, but I'm back with this beautiful blue gradient cut crease with a pop of green and some glitter on the bottom. I love the way this turned out. I've never done a look like this, but this collection from LA Girl really inspired me. Yes, this video is in partnership with LA Girl, and I'm so happy that they decided to partner up with me again. I'm gonna be showing you guys this beautiful collection, which is Desert Dream. And look at these beautiful palettes. Oh my gosh, I love the warm toned one, and then the blue one. Oh, my favorite. But this is a VIP, and then there's a main stage, which is the one I'm going to be using today. This collection is now available at Ulta stores as well as online. But look at these beautiful swatches. Oh my gosh, I love that bright green, and I'm gonna be using that on my eyes today, as well as some of the blue shades. But yeah, I hope you guys like the look I created, and let's get started. Okay, so the first color I'm going to be taking from the palette is called Wristband. This is a beautiful light teal color, and I'm going to be packing this on the inner third of my crease. Now I'm going to be picking up the shade Sky High, and I'm going to apply this to the center part of my crease. And I'm just going to be packing it on to make sure I get the most pigment. But these shadows, oh my gosh, you're going to see they were so easy to blend into each other. I loved it so much. And the last color I'm going to be applying on my lid is called Headliner, and I'm going to be applying this on the outer third of my eye. I'm just going to be winging it out since it's going to be a full cut crease. As you can see, these colors just really blend into each other so well, and I really love the way this look turned out. And now, just with a fluffier brush, I'm going to be picking up each of those colors again and just blending those out to make it look really nice and diffused. These colors were literally a dream to blend out, and I'm not just saying that. I think you can tell on the video just how smooth and they look and how pretty they blended out together. So yeah, I definitely recommend this palette if you're in the market for like blues and greens. 10 out of 10. And like I said, this is going to be a full cut crease, so I'm just going to be taking some concealer on a flat brush, and I'm going to be cutting my crease all the way, just making sure everything is nice and smooth. And for the lid, I'm going to be applying the shade Viral, which is this beautiful shimmer. It's a sheer shimmer, but I really love the way it turned out. I think it just worked perfectly with the eye look I was going for, and yeah, I loved it. So I just went and applied some lashes off camera, as well as the green eyeliner from the collection in the shade Magic Mint. And now I'm going to be taking the shade Money, which is this pretty beautiful light green, and I'm going to be putting this all over my lower lash line, just blending it out, making sure it's nice and pigmented. I'm also going to be taking the shade Shuffle, and I'm also putting this on my lower lash line, and I'm going to be dragging this down to create like glitter tears. And I'm also going to be applying some glitter off camera. And now for the inner corner, I'm going to be taking the shade Viral again, and I'm going to be popping that in my inner corner as well as my brow bone, and that's the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you guys like the finished look. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you would like to see more of me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out this new beautiful collection from LA Girl, now available online as well as at Ulta. Thank you guys so much again, and I love you.